Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video, I am sharing with you the recipe for easy garlic fried rice. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Also watch the full video to support my channel. Let's begin our video. For the recipe, what we need is a cup of boiled rice. It's up to you what quantity you need. A handful of garlic cloves and 4 eggs. You will also need soy sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, salt and black pepper as per taste. So let's start with step 1, preparing everything. First, I am taking some salt as per taste and we would be crushing our garlic. It's your choice if you want to crush the garlic or mince it. So I choose to crush it. After we are done with our garlic crushing, we would prepare our eggs. Here I took 4 medium to large sized eggs. It's your choice how much you want them. We would beat our eggs like we do for scrambled eggs or an omelette. Now we shall move on to step 2, and that's the final step, that is preparing. For this we need a saucepan on a medium to high heat, or as your stove requires. We would add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. We would wait until it is heated up a little and then we would be adding our garlic paste to it. As I told you, that is your choice if you want to add it minced or crushed. I chose crushed. You can even mince it to have chunky garlic in your rice. Make sure that you saute it for like 3 to 5 minutes so that the rawness is gone. At this point you can add any flavor to the garlic, like I added black pepper. That would give a little spicy taste to it. Once you think that the garlic's rawness is gone and it is goldenish brown, you would keep it on the side of the saucepan and add a little more oil and then add half of your eggs mixture and let it cook a little. When it's cooking a little, you would stir it just like you do in scrambled eggs so that a small particles or pieces are formed, or egg chunks what you call them. So here it is warming up a little so that it takes a little solid form from the base, and then we would start mixing it. You can even add more black pepper into the egg to make it taste a little spicier. It's your choice, whatever you need. You can even add some herbs or any other spice you like. So we would mix it well until all the chunks are formed. We would keep on stirring the eggs so that there are good chunks formed and until it is fully cooked. And now we would add the garlic to it so that it gets the taste. Make sure that your egg is not raw before adding the rice. So now when our eggs are a little more cooked, we would add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar and a tablespoon of chili sauce, or as per you like. After you have added all these 3 sauces, we would give it a good mix and then we would add our boiled rice. Here I have taken a cup of boiled rice. You can add a little at a time and give it a mix so that everything is mixed together and it's easy for you. At this point you can even add more of the sauces, the vinegar, the soy sauce and the chili sauce, or black pepper or any other sauce you want to add, and give this a good mix and cook for 4 to 5 minutes and your garlic fried rice are ready to serve. They are very delicious and were very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever tried these rice. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I hope to see you all next time. Take care. Bye.